Welcome back to another video. I'm going to talk about barcodes, all right? So UPC barcodes. What is a UPC barcode? All right, what the heck is it? And do you need one? All right, the answer to that is absolutely you do need one, right? When you're doing the listing process, you need to convert the UPC barcode to what we call an FNSKU barcode, which needs to be put on the product. Now, keep this in mind. Do not put the UPC number, the barcode, on the product. It's the FNSKU, all right? That needs to go onto your product, all right? Whatever your product is. Let's say, for example, it's a Barbie doll, okay? Right? The barcode, this little barcode here, needs to be put on the packaging for the Barbie doll, all right? Not the UPC. How you create this is through a shipping plan, all right? Now, we often get a question, do I need a GS1 barcode, all right? What is this GS1, what's it all about? Let me just explain this real quickly to you, all right? GS1 is a very expensive barcode. And many years ago, because people hear stories like, oh, I must have a GS1 barcode, otherwise Amazon won't let me on, right? That's total BS, right? GS1 barcodes, which were another company prior to 2002, what happens is, there were massive companies selling a whole bunch of barcodes. And what they realized was, okay, we're selling all these barcodes and we're not gonna, when we run out of barcodes, we're not going to make any more money. So what we need to do now is change our tactic, and instead of just selling the barcode and they can use for the rest of their life, let's rent out the barcode. So you pay $200 to buy the barcode, and every year you're paying just on $25, right? And that's their model. Now what happened was, everyone complained. Everyone's like, oh my God, that's terrible. We buy the barcode and then you kind of force us to pay the rent on the barcode. So what happens was those people, a lot of Amazon sellers, right, took them to court. And guess what? They won, right? And GS1 basically said, all right, well, prior to 2002, the court hearing was, prior to 2002, any barcodes created prior to them had no sort of, recurring annual fees. But any ones after that, you were allowed to charge a fee. Now, here's the thing. Before 2002, all these barcode companies bought up all these barcodes, like Instant UPC, instantupc.com, right? Which is a company that we suggest you buy barcodes. There's another one called Barcode Mania, right? There's heaps of them out there. What I'll suggest, so what they've done is they've bought all these barcodes from GS1 prior to 2002, which means they can sell them to you at a fraction of the cost, and you don't have to pay the recurring commission. So hopefully that sort of makes sense. All right, you do not need a GS1 barcode. In fact, Barcodes Mania, if you buy them there, Amazon actually do accept them, right? So you got no issues with that. You do not have to use a GS1 barcode, all right? So hopefully that clears a few things up in relation to that. All right, have a great day. Talk to you real soon. And stay safe. Bye for now.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.